to blow my hair.
Hey, Xiaoyan!
Yes?
Look! This is a magic dog that I just got yesterday.
That's so cool.
His name is Cracky.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, sure. Want me to perform your magic?
Yes.
Look. Here's a ping pong ball. And magic's gonna happen. Magic dog, magic dog! Oh,
That was magic!
It's not magic, it's physics!
To understand the magic, you must understand the different types of pressure. The total pressure is equal to the dynamic pressure plus the mechanical pressure. What is dynamic pressure? It is a pressure term associated with the kinetic energy of a fluid flow. What is mechanical pressure? It is a pressure term associated with a fluid when it is at rest.
And this is how the magic happens. Here we have a hairdryer blowing up air and a ping pong ball floating in that column of air. So what's happening? The hairdryer is blowing air up at a very high velocity. Dynamic pressure occurs when you have fluid flow and is proportional to velocity squared. So in this column, you have a very high dynamic pressure. But farther away from the column, where you just have air floating at its normal, slow pace, you have a lower dynamic pressure. This creates a dynamic pressure gradient from high to low. However, dynamic pressure is not something we experience. What we experience is called mechanical pressure, and it's related to dynamic pressure in this equation. So here, where we have higher dynamic pressure, we're going to have lower mechanical pressure. And farther from the column, where we have lower dynamic pressure, we're going to have higher mechanical pressure. This creates a mechanical pressure gradient from high to low, from outside the column pushing inside the column. And that's why the ball continues to float inside this column of air.
This is not magic. Give me back my hairdryer. I need to blow my hair.